Hello everyone. So in this video, I will let you know that how you can pass instructions to your Azure AI Foundry agent from the code. So, for example, I have created a shipment provider agent which provides me the information about my shipment, and I instructed to track the dummy order here. So let me go here and try it in Playground and see that what we are getting. So I will say where is my order, right? And let me give the instruction. So we should have exactly the same response when we'll call this agent from the code. So let me see. All right, so track my order number 110, for example. This will render the dummy code altogether. So you can see it rendered the dummy code. And if we would like to have the same experience in Python code, then how we can do it? So here you don't need to write the code from the scratch because Azure AI Foundry provides you the facility. So you can see it is loading the whole code. And what you can do, you can copy the whole code, which I already did. So let me show you from the Python code base. So let me go here, and this is the Python code where I have provided the whole copied the whole code and changed it a bit, and exactly it is showing me the same piece of information which I put in prompt earlier. So now let's run this code. I have given the prompt exactly what I did in Playground. So let's run and let's see that what the result we will be getting. So let's execute this. Alright, it is giving me the thread, and here we go. So here it is giving me the result that what where my order is, and it is matching exactly the same response which we were getting on the Azure AI Playground. So you can manage the output according to your own choice, and you can render the result wherever you can.